I cannot yet join. But if I will gonna fix this, then I can join to your channel. Billing start at June. Yeah, someone's cutting. There is a cow, our neighbor. They have cows. It's running around in our garden. My lawn guys come every Wednesday. Okay, hopefully I can join. Do you do live stream? I just I just I just watch those videos you have. I just always drop your, if I do live, I just drop your channel. And that's, I'll do it. Thank you so much. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. God bless you more, sexy please. And thank you again. We see each other. Thank you, Aris. Thank you so much, Sir Aris. Thank you po. I have a basher. It has been a time sometime I that have done live. I do premieres. Okay, I understand. Oh, I don't know. Sometimes maybe I already bell all your channel, so that if you have some new upload, since you visit my live the first time, I already started viewing all your new uploads and everywhere. Have, and also dropping in my live. I don't know if someone, yeah, bell all. Alam mo yon? Do you know that bell all? Pepper bell. Didn't know that. Pepper bell. Bell all. This one, you see that? My cell phone, this is old cell phone. It's already, my other cell phone is stalled. Someone ran away. Like this one. A bell. Wait. Where is the bell all? Do you know how to bell all? Bell me all. Bell all. No. You're laughing, huh? Wait. Paano ba to? What is the other terms of bell all? Bell me all. I will click on and off on button because I never get that. Yeah, this one. This is, we called it bell. Ring the bell. Oh, the bell all. I like what I did. This one, unsubscribes, non-personal all. Then you get notification all. Di ba ang haba ng explanation?